Top 5 Memecoins that could skyrocket x1000 in 2025. Don't miss out hidden gems. Could 2025 be the year when overlooked cryptocurrencies make unprecedented gains? Some digital assets are poised for explosive growth, potentially multiplying investments by 1,000 times. Uncover 5 intriguing tokens that might revolutionize portfolios. Delve into these hidden gems that could become the crypto market's next big sensations. Don't miss the chance to learn about these potential skyrocketing coins before everyone else does. Catzilla Rex Chaos, the meme coin for warriors of crypto. In a world where financial freedom feels out of reach, a new opportunity emerges: Catzilla. Born from the frenzy of meme culture and set for explosive growth, this is the meme coin investors have been waiting for. 14 stages. Limitless potential. A legendary cat warrior with lives to spare, Catzilla offers you 14 chances to grab the power-packed $Catzilla token before it goes public. Imagine leveling up your stash from stage 1 to stage 14, where your gains soar up to 700%. Catzilla evolves as the presale progresses, bringing you closer to financial victory with every step. But beware, fellow warriors, the clock is ticking, and only the swift and the daring will secure their share of Catzilla's unstoppable might. Cats are taking over. Forget dogs. It's all about the meow money. The crypto world's gone barking mad for years, but now it's time for cats to claw their way to the top. MEW and Pop Cat are the latest feline sensations, proving that dogs might fetch headlines, but cats bring home the gains. MEW, purring into the top 15 meme coins. This clever kitty pulled off a 103.7% climb in just 3 months. Pop Cat, this one didn't just pounce, it soared, delivering a jaw-dropping 157.44% surge. These aren't just one-off flukes. Cats are on the prowl, staking their claim in the meme coin kingdom. And if you think MEW and Pop Cat are impressive, wait until Catzilla roars onto the scene. Forget chasing tails. This is where the real action is. The mission: smash the market. Rewrite the rules. Catzilla is here to destroy the old systems that hold you back. It's time to build a new world where you, the warriors of the crypto space, rise up and claim what's yours. With every stage of this pre-sale, the forces of profit grow stronger. Time is running out, and the opportunity to join Catzilla's army won't last forever. The profits are set to explode, and only those brave enough to seize this moment will see their gains rise, like a true anime hero's power level. Dogecoin eyes potential upswing as altcoin season approaches. Dogecoin is currently trading between $0.3588 and $0.4603, showing signs of potential growth. Despite declines of -27.30% over the past week and -24.48% this month, optimism is building with the anticipated altcoin season. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, sits at 39.85, suggesting that Dogecoin is nearing oversold conditions. If momentum gains, the next resistance levels are at $0.5145 and $0.6160. Over the past 6 months, Dogecoin has impressively climbed 138.44%, highlighting its strong long-term performance. Traders are watching the simple moving average of the past 100 days at $0.3691. A move above this level could signal further upward movement. With these factors, Dogecoin could be poised for a rebound. Pepe's breakout as altcoin season approaches. Pepe is showing potential for a surge amidst growing optimism in the crypto market. Trading between $0.000021065 and $0.000027794, it is approaching the nearest resistance at $0.000031448. Breaking this level could propel Pepe towards the second resistance at $0.0003878, marking a potential increase of over 55% from current levels. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, at 39.59 suggests the coin may be oversold, hinting at a possible upward reversal. Despite a recent 32.61% drop over the past week, Pepe has displayed resilience, with a 39.65% gain over 6 months. With the anticipated altcoin season on the horizon, Pepe could be poised for significant growth. Uniswap set to surge, eyeing a break above key resistance levels. Uniswap has seen a notable drop in the past week, falling by over 30%. However, over the past 6 months, it has gained more than 20%. The current price hovering between $14 and $19 suggests a period of consolidation. With the nearest support around $12, the coin may find a solid base to bounce back. If upward momentum picks up, Uniswap could challenge the next resistance at about $22, which would be a significant rise from its current price. Looking ahead, breaking through to the second resistance near $26 could offer impressive returns. As the altcoin season approaches, Uniswap shows potential for substantial growth. Chainlink poised for growth amid altcoin season hopes. Chainlink has shown significant price movements recently. In the past week, its price dropped by about 25%, but over the last month, it climbed nearly 50%. Currently trading between the low 20s and mid-30s, Link is demonstrating volatility. The Relative Strength Index is in the low 40s, suggesting potential for upward movement. If bullish momentum continues, the price could reach the nearest resistance in the high 30s, and possibly aim for the next level near $50. The 10-day moving average is below the 100-day average, which may indicate room for growth. With altcoin season anticipated, Chainlink might present a strong opportunity for investors seeking significant returns. Conclusion. While Doge, Pepe, Uni, and Link show potential, their short-term growth may be limited. Catzilla emerges as the ultimate meme coin hero, aiming to bring financial freedom to all. With a 700% ROI potential during its pre-sale, triple utility features, and a mission to unite enthusiasts against crypto villains, Catzilla invites participation in this exciting venture.